Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed, and I hope everyone is blessed. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So I'm coming to you now. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a chess pie. I'm going to be making a couple of chess pies now. And the holidays is coming up, so this is November 4th, and I'm getting ready to make the chess pies. And I hope everyone that's interested in making a chess pie, I hope you will enjoy this video, because this is one of my favorite chess pies. And this is going to be more favorite because this is going to be one for 2025 for this year. So now I'm getting ready to get started. Let me read my scripture. Okay. The Lord is gracious and righteous. Our God is full of compassion. Psalms 116:5. The Lord is gracious and righteous. Our God is full of compassion. Thank you so much for reading, and I hope that this scripture will help someone today on their way, today, tomorrow, whenever that you might need this particular scripture. So I'm getting ready now. I'm doing my butter. I'm going to get my butter in. I'm using pure butter, okay, everyone, so.
Now she's going to cream 1 cup of butter and 4 cups of sugar together.
If you don't want to use butter, you can use margarine also. But my preference is butter. Okay. All right, so now. My sugar, I have 4 cups of sugar. All right, I have 4 cups of sugar. It's already been measured out. I'm going to pour a little bit at a time. And I'm going to beat this, and then I'll pour the rest.
And there's 1 cup of butter and 4 cups of sugar, y'all.
I'm getting ready to put 1 egg at a time, please. Sometimes maybe 2 might fall, but I'm trying to do 1 at a time.
And 8 eggs, y'all. So it's 1 cup of butter, 4 cups of sugar, and 8 eggs so far.
everything else in one time. I don't have to do it individually. Okay. This is my evaporated milk, which I'm using carnation milk. And this is a 1/2 cup of milk. Evaporated milk. Okay. And then I have, this is a sugar and white vinegar.
That's 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar.
Okay, combined together. Okay. And this is 2 tablespoons of yellow cornmeal. Yellow cornmeal, okay. All right. And that's everything that goes in this particular pie. All right, you all. I'm getting ready to pour it into the pie shell. Put a little bit more in there. Put a little bit more in there. Just don't fill this one up first, okay?
Okay, y'all, it's gonna go in the oven. You put it on 375 for 10 minutes, and then you lower it down to 325. It depends on your oven. Our gas oven might be different, but we have electric. So we started out on 375, then we turn it down after 10 minutes and put it on 325. All right, y'all, we'll be back.
This is my final presentation of the chess pies. And this is something that you all might want for the holidays. So now you know how to make it. This is totally delicious. It is way off the chain. This is a chess pie from 2025 for the month of November through December, from your holiday season all the way to New Year's Day. And if you need a good sweet pie, this is it. This is Miss Lena's chess pie 2025. And I know that you will love it. Try it and see. It is way off the chain. Thank you so much. With all my love. But by now, I'm going to try it for you. Okay. I'm just going to take a little bite. Oh my goodness, you guys see. It is. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It'll make you want to do whatever you want to do. It'll make you kind of shake yourself and jump and turn. Everything. It is delicious. Thank you. Goodbye to everyone from Miss Lena's Kitchen with the chess pie for 2025 for the holidays. Goodbye now. I love you all. Bye-bye.